mu akwa babia miada sene omre no wadaje nsam no ne todwa wo mu bi ya wo beti ne be kokolebu renal unit ho ene ya make say OPD egusu atum tinipa bi free mu ya de ho nsam no ebeba edwadefo ewo race course wo kumase sa won bambo mu nsam no atete apansam timpanifo mu awon eno ne nsem bi na mede bro sa Adom TV bedwam kase afia ne de mientie se de nsam ne nkyeremu etie make say busia ene enuanom enum atwo nananom ensiedo ya womu eye nipa na womu kidney enwo aba hawo na esanse renal unit ewo kolebu enkoso nya adwumanti ana OPD nya adwumanti na namso ama abusua ti se ye nei watwo nananom ensiedo ayare hosam Adom kase etwaso
press conference na ye no na ye de stress Ghana ban ebebe mu na waboa yen said the beya sikano omobe maintaini 380 cedis na omoje ye no enti no de course ne say ya papa adodan nana adodankwa akufo ado e ka say ye mfanto national health insurance scheme so said the beya ye betimi aye dialysis no ena ye doctor okoboy so e kan on the 20th anniversary celebration they say national health insurance no ebe take between 6 to 12 months and sana omu betumi e the renal patient for a dialysis no ato so enti no ne ye kan ni na ne say sisi ano since akolebu close ye no nkrofo before omutu mu no na nkrofo 14 na efri mu but sisi ano aye 19 nkrofo ewu because omuntimi entua dialysis no ebo no private sector no kra no omuntimi nyaska emfa nko private sector no nti ye katre aban ne say ye sre no a say tax na ewo efrene say enyoma na omukra de breye no tax na ewo so no yesre no onyi free so maye
edwadefo ye wo kumase race course say na won bambo mu nsam no enya de ekosro kra comfortata won mu yi ti won besre mpanifo senke be ya won mayire bambo mu wo ho emfam ho
itu madawuru ma ya sramu ala ndure chiya ya baba fuye story
street in Zambia higher because they be for every year every normal nti higher Kenya street wo dum ha de be boye because omo say omo hwadwa isu emaye no omo hwenu yi ye nhunu so kura
Hajia eye maami a woton abibiduro ewo Kumasi race course dwakesie no mu akyerem se enura da ya akromfo ekowia omo enua baako niam emprempren oda ayaresabia eno akini nso no emfuturo ene agyanan bia ene eku omo wo ho
ye nua baako de oda hospital ya tete ni ye menu amani ye wo mo ye ntine omo ni ya pa wo match
omoto aso kyeremu se ade baako ha omopa ne se ade bechi a wonom beba omudwa so no na kwabrane abegya ne nan agu wo mu shop no anim a ha adwen pa amansan chia me kwadwobin mireku asante mantemu amanebo
minority ya womra so bedwafie mu se ne bambofo bi bra wo bro citizens ana se kumafo no yade hadwen na ne titu ne nanu ada de siye e wo garu no eni hu kwan se si e wo so omo boban na mum ni kwan se wo mo eborade hye ne mu nkyire mu Adom TV etwaso.
Because of the fear of breaching the dam, the VRA caused a spillage, controlled spillage of the dam. Even though it's controlled, because of the heavy rainfalls, even the communities down south to the dam were already flooded. So the spillage of the impounded water has added to the troubles of those of them living downstream. This year, we were, thanks to the heavy downpours of rains, we're preparing ourselves for bounteous harvest. Unfortunately, we had this inundation of farmlands, no thanks to the massive rainfall and also the spillage of the Bagri Dam. That certainly is going to compound the food situation in the country.
Eguso ya womrasho beje fie no emu na ekukuma ye wo ho eguso na woni aban na kasa se enche wode oman ye hu sikasem no ba betu edwaban no hwene ye pa de ode ba no nya de beboa de hye Adom TV edeba.
Right Honorable Speaker, let me use this opportunity to assure the people of Ghana that we in the Minority Caucus will scrutinize the upcoming budget statement and economic policy of government with eagle eyes. Mr. Speaker, the prevailing economic conditions has already made it very difficult for the ordinary Ghanaian and businesses, and therefore we can't be a party to any policy or measure which makes things even more unbearable and in fact miserable for the already suffering Ghanaians and businesses. Would not prioritize the business.
TV Kasiana Ugiso Shadoma young Twasun Consent for Fromu now my Ghana any Germany for aka wo abomwa one more dream kwa yon befaswa e beboama energy ne infrastructure and affair befu nim de kwan so o my Ghana so ebenya so emfaso bia man mienu aka wo ho abomwa wo dream kwa yon befaso e beboa Adom Kase edebe.
We compare 2022 to 2023, salary there die cost. Yeah, I've been doing my for kitchen die cost. But Oshe budget I bind it to her for the money be here.
My engineer no so na Adom TV Badwam Kasiana no pay ya na brema kwan na yede SCA de edu so no the obonkrata no ha online stories no so aye krado ya kwabo mahina kwabna santen so ba be kan yensa. Yeri atwaso.